My name's Lucy Roberts and I'm studying Access to Healthcare. The course includes psychology, science and counselling. Myself, I'm enjoying the psychology side of the course the most. I find it fascinating learning about all the different theories. I've chosen to study this course because I want to go to university to study paediatric nursing. My reason for this is because both of my children have spent time in special care baby unit, and it's spurred me on to want to help other children and families. I enjoy the course because in our science lessons there's a chance to undertake some practicals where we've been dissecting hearts and doing experiments with lungs, and it is really fun and eye-opening. My advice to anybody wanting to start the course would be just to do it. We've all, pretty much the majority of our class, we've had our offers ready for uni in September, and we are all on course to get the qualifications for us to be able to get there.